Peace and blessings, good people. Today is October 31st, 2024. It is the last day in October. How are y'all feeling today? Well, today I wanted to share with you all amazing hair masks that are made with these three simple ingredients: aloe, egg, and of course some banana. Here you see that I am cutting the spiky parts off of the aloe plant that I will be extracting aloe gel from to put inside the hair mask. In this video, you will learn how I care for my daughters and I hair. Hair masks are essential, especially now that it's wintertime. And it's very beneficial when you know what you're putting in your hair, if that makes sense. And now, as a stay-at-home mom that's newly unemployed, it's important for me to save my coins. And I'm always buying an aloe plant, and I'm always buying eggs. And me and my kids, we love bananas. So why not use what I got and know that I'm using it in a way where it's more beneficial for me? There's no extra anything in this. And me and my daughter's hair is thriving, it's growing, it's healthy, it's strong, it's shining, it's luxurious. And I'm doing it from my kitchen. And here I am sharing these tips and tricks with you all. So get your aloe plant, take your time, cut it up as I'm doing in this video. Extract the gel from the aloe, put it in a bowl, use a spoon too. So I like to slice them in cubes with a knife, and then I take a spoon and I spoon it off basically. And it's very slimy and slippery, X, Y, and Z. And so you want to take your time, especially when using a knife for beginners. If you're not able to efficiently cut an aloe, I think you should get help or use a spoon and get the best off that you can. Like, get as much gel off that you can, because you're going to blend this gel. Now, in this video, I did not strain the gel from the mixture before I added the next ingredient, and you will see. And what I mean, usually when I make anything with aloe, I like to take the extra pieces out of it because it sticks in your hair and it stays around, and it's just an extra headache of getting those little pieces of amazingness out your hair. So what you would do if you don't want that in your hair, and in this mixture, it didn't come in my hair, that's for certain, because it mixed it up, blended really well. But if you just want to use aloe and that's all you have, you're just going to take an extra step and strain it, which you will put like a pantyhose, a wig cap, something over another empty jar or bowl, and then you're going to just extract the gel from the pantyhose. Here I am, nothing left behind. Y'all heard me, nothing left behind. So I'm going to take the skin that I was using, and y'all see me, rub it along my edges as I'm making my hair gel. My hair mask. Now, this is mine. I'm using it for me and my kids. This batch is just for my hair. I don't even think it's going to be any left over for my kids, but we will see later on. However, that's why you see me doing the things that I do, because this is for me and personally me. So I'm cutting up one ripe banana. As y'all can see, that banana previously was really, really ripe. And it don't have to be as ripe, because the second one that I'm cutting up isn't as ripe. But a ripe banana does the job, baby. So I had another piece of aloe, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just use this entire piece. So I'm cutting up more to go into the bowls of the other aloe gel, aloe that I extracted from the plant. How y'all doing today? I'm feeling good. I'm excited that I am enlightening and increasing my territory. And as a result, I don't mind sharing these things, because naturally, each one teach one. I've learned from people, and these are things that, I stuck with me. So here I am sharing, hoping that it can stick with you guys, just to do the simple task of pouring into yourself and loving on yourself, or teaching men how to do this so they can pour on their woman and love on themselves. Like, let my man, my king, come home and and have a hair mask waiting because he done watched my video back and forth over and over and over again. Like, and he like, all right, I'm going to get this ready for my baby and give me a self-care day. Like, it be the little things that matter the most. But that's another story for another day. They be like, you live in a fantasy world. No, I'm deserving to receive that. And I know that God is not going to forsake me. And he going to send me that king. That's why, you know, I make the decisions that I make because I know that I am more worthy to receive. I am worthy. So here I am. I beat up 2 eggs along with the aloe, put it in a blender, and now I'm adding the 2 bananas that I cut up. And here I am. I'm just going to blend them.
Hold on.
I'm going to blend it. Now, y'all know I'm going to add some good old truth oil up in this hair mask. Why wouldn't I? Well, if you don't know it, now you know. And I'm going to give it another nice little blend, baby. I am and is and did. And it's just hitting noon. And I'm grateful. I'm appreciative that God gave me the opportunity and the willpower and the desire in my heart to want to pour into myself and others with the things that is readily available within me. And within my home, I'm like, I want to deep condition my hair. It's fall season. It's bob season. It's quick weave season. Y'all better put a mask on your hair so that it can shine like this, be luxurious like this, be amazing like this. Yeah, this is how I grow my hair out. And the truth is, I always did my own hair. And people be like, oh my God, your hair is so beautiful. I always took care of my hair. It just came naturally to me, and I wasn't taught this. But I just like nurturing and taking care of myself. And as a result, I take care of myself. And I'm showing you guys how to do it. Y'all don't have to have money to do this. Go to the produce, get a $2 aloe. Y'all got eggs. If not, knock on your neighbor's door, borrow an egg, and get a banana. A banana, you can get a banana for $0.25 or 50 cents out of Wawa or a corner store. I don't know. It's easy, DIY. I gotta say I'm in the mood for a little bit more.